In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom reticle or a custom crosshair in Fortnite. And let's start. First of all, what you want to do is click on the three links in the description. The first one will be the photo editor called Pixlr. The second one will be the custom desktop logo. This is an app that you will need for this one. And the third link is this black picture. The first step is to right click on the first black picture, click on open image in new tab, open the new tab, and as you can see there is a small black box at the center. What you want to do is copy the link from this picture, go to the photo editor, click on open Pixlr editor, and once you allow the flash player, this will open up. What you want to do now is click on file, click on open image URL, and paste the link that you just copied. Click on OK, and as you can see, the black box opened. What you want to do now is zoom a little bit using the zoom tool. Okay, that's enough. The next step is to click on layer, click on new layer, and make sure that the new layer is selected. So it should be the layer 1. If it's not selected, then what you want to do is just click on it and make it blue. Now click on the marquee tool, so it's the second one on the left. Click on elliptical marquee, and now set the constraint to fixed size, set the width to 45, and set the height to 45 as well. Once you set it, what you want to do is click somewhere in the box and make sure that you align this circle in the box. And there it is. The next step is to choose a color, and you can do that by clicking on this black box. It says set main color. Click on it. I'm gonna choose green. Click on OK. And now select the bucket tool and click somewhere in the circle. And as you can see, the circle is now green. The next step is to right click on layer 1, click on layer styles, click on outer glow, set the hardness to 10, set the size to 16, and set the color to black. You can set it to whatever you want. I'm gonna set it to black because it just looks better that way. And once you set it, you can click on OK. Click on OK again, and as you can see, there is now a black circle around the green circle. The next step is to uncheck the layer 0, and you now have your custom reticle for Fortnite. If you want to make a crosshair, then it's basically the same thing. What you want to do is just make the crosshair inside the black box. Once you're all done, what you want to do is click on File, click on Save, and save the image somewhere on your computer, but make sure that the format is PNG. Click on OK, click on Desktop, and now what you want to do is right click on your desktop and create a new folder. You can do that by right clicking on it, click on New, click on Folder, and name it Custom Reticle. You can name it whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. And once you make a new folder, double click on it and save the picture inside that folder. Okay, and now go to the custom desktop logo, scroll a little bit down and click on download custom desktop logo 2.1. Once it's done downloading, click on it and extract it on your desktop. And click on OK. Once it's done extracting, you can now close Google Chrome. You can leave the site. And as you can see, here's my custom reticle folder and here's my custom desktop logo folder. So this is the application that you will need for this to work. What you want to do is open the custom desktop logo app, Double click on custom desktop logo.exe. Now as you can see, there is an icon in the bottom right corner. What you want to do is right click on it and click on settings. Now what you want to do is copy the custom reticle folder, the one with the image that you created, inside the images folder inside the system folder. So open the images folder and just drag the custom reticle folder inside it. Okay, and now open the custom reticle application again, click on change image folder and select the folder with your custom reticle. So there it is. I'm gonna click on it, click on OK, and there's my custom reticle. Now go to location, make sure that the Z level is at topmost, make sure that the display location is at center, set the location offset to 0, and go to size. And what you want to do is basically just lower the size a little bit. As you can see, around, I don't know, around 0.2 is perfectly fine, or maybe 0.18. And once you adjust the size, you can now just minimize the app and play Fortnite. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if it helped, and if it didn't, then please comment down below and I'm gonna try and help you. Thanks for watching again, and bye.